In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields in Wrike. Custom fields are a powerful way to tailor Wrike to match your team's workflow. They let you track extra information that doesn't come out of the box, like client details, budget codes, priorities, or notes specific to your projects. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to look for so you can confidently create and use your own custom fields. First, open your Wrike Workspace and navigate to the folder, project, or space where you want to add a custom field. Make sure you're in a view that supports fields, such as the table view. This is important because that's where you'll actually see the columns and can manage your fields easily. Once you're in the right place, look towards the top of the table view for the option labeled Fields. Go ahead and click on Fields. This menu controls which fields are visible and is also where you'll create new ones. If you don't see it immediately, try widening your browser window or checking the right side of the toolbar. In the Fields menu, you'll see different groups of fields. Look for an option related to Custom Field and click on that. This tells Wrike that you want to work with fields that you define yourself, instead of just using the built-in ones. Next, you'll be asked to choose the type of custom field you want to create. In this example, select Text. A text field is very flexible and works well for things like notes, labels, or simple references. Later, you can explore other types like numbers, dates, or drop-downs, but text is a great starting point. After selecting the type, click on Create. At this point, Wrike will prompt you to name your new field and possibly choose where it should be shared. Pick a clear, descriptive name so that everyone on your team immediately understands what belongs there. If you see a message that says something like, "Nothing to show here," don't worry. That just means there are no custom fields yet in this context. Click on that area to proceed, then select New Field. This opens the same creation panel, allowing you to confirm the type and details. Finally, click on the highlighted confirmation buttons to save and apply your new field. Once it's created, you'll see it appear as a new column in your table view, ready for you and your team to start using right away.